Oh yeah. Nice smallie. Oh, come off. There we go. Fish. Fish. Feels like a good one. Oh yeah, nice smallie. Nice smallie. Stay on. Stay on. Another one. Another one. Oh yeah. Another smallie. Another smallie. Nice one. There's a fish. Oh yeah, it's a nice smallie. Another one. There we go. There we go, baby. There we go. Let's go. Let's see. Oh, it's a big one. Come back here. It's a nice smallie, guys. It's a nice one. Oh, you don't want to come in? Come on, baby. That's a big one. That's a big one. Yes. Another little smallie, little baby. Right there, bro. That's on that. I don't know. It seems pretty good. Yeah, it's pulling like a good fish. Oh yeah, it's a good fish. There we go. Oh yeah. It's a good fish, bro. Yes. There we go. That's on the Davy Lee.
There he is.
That's a Davy Lee special. It's a nice largie. A little solid guy. Maybe 3 pound. Oh no, he's not that big. Largemouth. Wow. Good fighter.
Double.
Double? This one's a nice little chunky. Modesto Reservoirs. Hey. Yeah, I'm gonna put them in for the end. Little Modesto Reservoir. Little Modesto Reservoirs. Chunkster. A little largie.